Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's the first thing guests see when they visit and plays a crucial role in your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in Knoxville, door replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to improve your home's value and comfort. Whether your door is outdated, damaged, or simply not functioning properly, replacing it with a newer, more efficient option can bring numerous benefits. Here are the top reasons to consider door replacement for your Knoxville home. Enhanced curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first impression people get when they visit or pass by. An old, worn-out front door can make your home look tired and neglected, while a new, stylish door can instantly boost its curb appeal. Whether you choose a classic wooden door with intricate details or a sleek, modern fiberglass door, the right door design can elevate your home's appearance and create a welcoming atmosphere. A fresh door can also improve your home's exterior style and complement other architectural features, such as windows and landscaping. As one of the most visible parts of your home, a new door enhances your home's overall aesthetic and makes it more inviting to both visitors and potential buyers. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most important factors in modern home design is energy efficiency, and your front door plays a significant role in this. Older doors, especially those made of wood or with poor insulation, can contribute to heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. This inefficiency forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. By replacing your old door with a more energy-efficient option, such as one with a solid core or a fiberglass door with foam insulation, you can better regulate the temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient doors can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your energy bills. Enhanced home security. Your front door is one of the most important aspects of your home's security. Older doors often come with outdated locks, weak frames, and fragile glass panels that can be easily compromised. By upgrading to a modern door with advanced locking systems and reinforced materials, you can greatly improve your home's security. Many newer doors feature multi-point locking systems that lock at several points along the door frame, making it much harder for intruders to break in. Impact-resistant glass and reinforced door frames add an additional layer of protection, deterring break-ins and keeping your home and family safe. If you're concerned about security, door replacement is an easy and effective way to strengthen your home's defenses. Better weather resistance. Knoxville is known for its unpredictable weather, which includes cold winters, hot summers, and occasional heavy rain or snow. Old doors may not be equipped to withstand the temperature fluctuations and moisture exposure that come with the changing seasons. Modern doors, especially those made from fiberglass or steel, are more durable and weather-resistant. These materials resist warping, rotting, and damage from extreme temperatures, ensuring your door remains functional and attractive despite the elements. Additionally, weatherproof seals and insulating features prevent drafts, moisture, and water intrusion, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Upgrading your door can give you peace of mind knowing that it will hold up against the wear and tear caused by Knoxville's weather. Increased home value. Investing in door replacement is not just about improving your home's appearance or comfort, it's also about increasing its value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, a new, high-quality door can be an attractive selling point. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated features that promise energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. A new door can be a relatively low-cost investment that offers a high return, especially if you choose a stylish, durable, and energy-efficient model. In Knoxville's competitive real estate market, door replacement can help your home stand out from others and potentially increase its resale value. Reduced maintenance. Older doors, particularly wooden ones, require a lot of maintenance to keep them looking good and functioning properly. Regular painting, sealing, and repairing can be time-consuming and costly. Over time, wood doors can warp, crack, or rot due to exposure to the elements. Newer doors made from materials like fiberglass, steel, or vinyl require minimal maintenance. These materials are resistant to moisture, fading, and damage, reducing the need for frequent repairs or repainting. Choosing a low-maintenance door means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Conclusion. Replacing your door is one of the most effective and impactful ways to enhance your Knoxville home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal, lower your energy bills, enhance security, or reduce maintenance, door replacement offers a wide range of benefits that make it a smart investment for any homeowner. With a variety of door styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available, it's easier than ever to find a door that suits your home's needs and style. If your current door is outdated, damaged, or inefficient, now is the perfect time to consider replacing it. Investing in a new door will not only improve your home's functionality but also increase its value and overall appeal for years to come.